video. We are here at the embalming table with another fabulous unboxing video. And this is actually my very favoriteest kind of unboxing video because this is from an independent artist. I actually had a previous unboxing with this artist, so if you haven't seen that one, you're not even going to understand the plot, like at all. So you absolutely must pause now and go watch the first video where I unboxed some really fabulous jewelry from the one and only JunkYard Bat. His stuff is amazing and it's all handmade, and it's, you know what, I mean, that's what I do professionally, right? Like, I make shit. And don't get me wrong, I do dabble in like jewelry making if an outfit requires it. If someone wants custom jewelry like with their outfit, I will make it, but I am not a jewelry maker. And like, this is actually beyond regular jewelry making. This is like, he casts his own shit. Like, it's awesome. It's like from the ground up, awesome Gothic jewelry. So I'm very excited to open this box. If you watched the last video, you will see that he sent something to me, he sent something to Brody, and he sent something to Jessica, which was lovely. So we all modeled it separately, 3 different jewelries on 3 different body types. That was very cool. So this time is no exception. So there's going to be something in here for me. There's going to be something in here for Brody. There's going to be something in here for Jessica. And there's going to be something in here for Mary. So I'm really excited about that. So you get 4 different jewelries on 4 different bodies with 4 different styles. So like, you know, that's coming up at the end. But first we got to get it out of the box. And I have a steak knife because I don't know where my kitchen scissors have gone. I think I stole them to like do something else, but they're missing. So we're going to live dangerously and we're going to open this box with a knife instead. Hopefully I don't cut myself. We'll see. And we're in. Okay, that didn't take long. Good stuff. Okay, so everything is packed really nicely, which is good because the worst thing is when you like get something in the mail and you can hear there's something broken in the box. It stresses me out so much. So this is actually packed really nicely and really carefully. Everything's in bubble wrap. So I get to see everyone's jewelry before they do. This is actually really exciting. So let's see what's in here. Oh my God, this is heavy. Wow, is this ever heavy? Okay, we've got, I don't know what these things are. Oh my goodness, there's surprise jewels for me. Oh yeah. Did I not just tell you that I make jewelry sometimes? Some surprise jewels for me to make jewelry with. Oh my God, thank you. I love this so much. And I'm actually working on something right now. If you watch my video about my brand new Patreon, I have a Patreon, by the way, if you want to support me. I am making something really, really, really epic. And these beads and stuff will actually be really helpful to wear. Holy shit. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Beautiful red jewels and red crystals and like red rosary. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, this is gonna go on my upcoming epic project, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful jewelry supplies. And they weigh a lot. So we don't need that. That's just packing. This is gorgeous. Oh, that was such a nice surprise. I'm so happy. Okay. We've got thing number 1. I don't know whose thing it is. Packaging. Ooh, this is my thing. I opened my thing first. I'm sorry you can't see this up close. Yeah, holy shit, is this heavy. So be prepared. If you order from JunkYard Bat, it is going to be a heavy ass jewelry. And I'm loving that. Oh my God, look at how I know you can't see it. I'm going to show it to you up close, I promise. But like, this is gorgeous. And I love me some weighty stuff. Like everything I make in real life, all the like clothing and shit I make for people is like heavy. So I do appreciate some weight, and that is absolutely gorgeous. I believe this is a bat skull. I don't know. I think it's a bat skull. But it's beautiful. My God, that's beautiful. Ugh. So gothy. All right, what do we got up next here? We got... I don't know. I don't know what we got. Packaging. We've got. Oh, this is Mary's. This is Mary's thing. And when you see this, you're going to understand because it looks exactly like something Mary would wear. Witchy. Look at this. That is absolutely Mary through and through. She's going to flip her shit about this. Like, if anything has moons on it, I don't even care what it is. Worth a thrift store, if there's shit with moons on it, it's going home with Mary. Because, like, Mary is very obsessed with, like, moons and, like, pagan-y type stuff. And this is absolutely gorgeous. And also has some serious weight to it. That is beautiful. Got tape on my hands. Mary's going to flip her shit when I show her that tomorrow. She's going to die. All right, up next, we've got packaging. Oh, this is Brody's thing and Jessica's thing. Because, as the saying goes, great minds think alike. And they actually picked the same thing, but in different colors. So we have, these are also weighty. These are also weighty. All of this is weighty. It's gorgeous. So this one is Jessica's. I think this was called Cathedral Window, if I recall correctly. We're gonna link all to his stuff down below. We're gonna put all of his social media, the website where you can buy stuff. We're gonna put it below. But I believe these were called Cathedral Window, and Jessica picked the one with the clear crystal, and it is beautiful. It's so beautiful and also weighty. And then Brody picked the one with the purple crystal. Look at that. And it's real, as far as I know, these are like real crystals. Like, this is a real amethyst. And I think Jessica's is a real quartz, if I recall correctly. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that. Look at his website to be sure. I should have read the descriptions before I did this, but I didn't, because that's the way I do things. We've got a note in the bottom here. Okay, ready? I'm going to read this to you live on camera for the first time. Dear Missy and friends, thank you for reviewing my items once again. I hope everything has arrived well. Enclosed are your chosen items and a few extra supplies I have added to help with your project. Aww. I hope you will be able to use some of them. May you all have a fantastic year. Best wishes from Jason. Please let everyone know that anyone in the US is invited to shop on my website directly and use the code Absinthe25 in order to get 25% off their order. That's fucking awesome, you guys. I mean, I've had discount codes with people before, don't get me wrong. I had a discount code with New Rock Australia when they existed. I have one with Jungle Tribe, but it's like 10%, right? Like, it's good. I mean, discounts are good, don't get me wrong. Everything's super expensive, but like 25, like that's actually that's a sizable discount. That's awesome. Yes, more than a regular coupon that I offer on the mailing list. For many pieces internationally, I also have the Etsy store, although I have quite a lineup. I mean, understandable. I personally have quite a lineup on my sewing projects because people who are good at what they do are busy. That's the way it is. And obviously these are fucking fantastic. So yeah, Jason is busy. As always, the beaded elements are done by hand with stainless steel and the pendants are hand cast in pewter in my workshop. Cathedral Ruin, there we go, not window, I fucked that up. Cathedral Ruin necklace in amethyst, that's Brody. Cathedral Ruin necklace in clear quartz, I was right about that at least, clear quartz for Jessica. Celestial Moon and Stars for Mary, and Bat Skull necklace in black. I was right about it being a bat skull too. I'm doing great, I'm like 90% here. It's awesome. And then yeah, he tells me a little bit about the supplies in the bag, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. My God, this is so beautiful. I'm so thrilled. I'm obviously not dressed appropriately for this right now, so we're going to have to do a fashion montage for you another day, but you will get to see all 4 of us, and another day for you is like basically right now. As soon as I show you the supplies on the table, it'll be another day for me. So let me show you these close up and then get ready for the fashion. Hello, madam. What are you doing here? You shouldn't be in this video. No, no, no. We don't want to film you. We want to film these beautiful necklaces. Here's mine. This is mine. I bet it's your favorite because it's my favorite. Fuck you, camera. What are you doing? Be nice. Show the detail. There we go. Look at this. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to put this on my neck because like this little dude, he's like, listen to him on the embalming table. He's heavy. This is Mary's. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is Mary's. Stars and moons and pagan-y, celestial focus. Why does my camera hate me? Why does my camera hate me? Look at how beautiful. It's longer than mine. Has some beautiful weight to it. I love that these pointy things are shaped like crystals too. Has a little like teardrop at the end. These are Brody's and Jessica's, which I will show you together. So we have the clear, focus, focus, focus. We have the clear one and we have the amethyst one as well. They're basically the same necklace, except for different colored beads and different colored crystals, but like beautiful. Look at how beautiful these are. Like that's really gorgeous. That's really, really gorgeous. I'll show you the pendant on Mary's too. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here's all of my extra, look at all these extra like fun supplies. Look at this. Look at this. It may give you a hint as to what I'm working on, the color scheme in these, except this one. This one's like a mixed bag of just awesome, ridiculous. But everything else should give you a hint as to what I'm working on up and coming. That was a lovely surprise. I'm so thrilled about that. And then here's the beautiful letter I got. What is this? Focus, camera. Right there. What is that? Is it a discount code? Absinthe 25? Ah, it sure is. I'm so fancy. My God, this is so fancy. Da 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 da. Gorgeous. Ooh la la, Jessica starting off the fashion montage strong. Yes, styling your fabulous brand new JunkYard Bat necklace. We're gonna get close-ups of this whole outfit, but obviously the showpiece is the necklace. So we are here with William Shakespeare. We got a celebrity endorsement for this necklace, you guys. Oh my God. So we've got 1950s birdcage veil, charming darling. Chainmail necklace. Gonna get a close-up of the necklace. I mean your boobs. I mean the necklace. Looking beautiful. All about the necklace, obviously. Focus on the necklace. Got it. Look at this bodice. Vintage, Victorian-styled, 1990s goth bodice. We've got skirt, handmade by yours truly. And new rocks, because they go with everything. They sure do. Back up to the necklace. Gorgeous. Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I'm sorry. I was just having a fabulous conversation with Mr. William Shakespeare. Close personal friend. Don't want to name drop, but like, I'm totally name dropping. Oh, did you want to see my JunkYard Bat necklace and how I styled it with this weird and wonderful punk rock artifact that I made? Come closer. Come closer. No, not for you. You can't see the necklace. Oh, do you insist? Well, if you insist, I guess. I guess you can see this fabulous weighted bat skull made by JunkYard Bat himself. I love this thing. Also, this has serious weight, you guys. I ran across the road and it kept thudding against my chest. I may have broken a rib. I may have to go to the hospital from this necklace. How goth is that? Extra goth points to me. Because, yeah. Bat skull, punk rock, drag fan. The house is now all day long. And here we have Brody modeling his new JunkYard Bat necklace. Yes, ooh, schmancy, schmancy. Is he wearing the outfit that he got last year that I made him for my birthday? He sure is. Ooh la la, monsieur. Rhinestone glasses and all. You certainly look like a rock star today. Do a little twirl. Twirl around. Oh, awesome. You're gonna make Mary and Stevie Nicks jealous. All right, hang on. I'm coming in. I'm coming in for the close-up on this. Summertime goth. Oh yes, model the garment, darling. So this is the new, focus phone, focus, there we go. This is the new necklace. And Brody's doing double duty because this one is also a JunkYard Bat necklace. In my last JunkYard Bat unboxing, that is the one that I got. But I generously lent it to him because it looked so good with this outfit. Also, check the glasses. 1970s, darling, rhinestone fashion. Oh, we gotta back up and get another full shot of this. Oh, just fabulous, darling. So here we have Mary styling the necklace she got from JunkYard Bat. Ooh, yes, let's get a close-up of the necklace. Definitely not your boobs, just the necklace. Just the necklace. Look at the space buns. Oh, you look like you're ready to go to a Stevie Nicks concert. I know, right? Wow, is this ever different how than I styled mine? And it looks awesome. We're gonna come in here and get the bodice. Oh my god! And of course, Mary made the dress, the white dress, right? You made the white dress.
I made the white dress.
Yup.
Skirt is three-bird nest.
Mm-hmm.
And top is holy clothing.
Ooh, well, it looks very nice together. Ooh, spin. Do your Stevie Nicks spin. Oh, I absolutely love it. So there you have it. My unboxing, my second unboxing from the one and only JunkYard Bat. Which was your favorite? Let me know. I mean, obviously my favorite is the one that I picked because I picked it. But this is very cool that they are all different necklaces. I mean, except for the Cathedral Ruin necklaces. Brody and Jessica picked the same thing. But it's really cool that you could see it in two different colors because I honestly wasn't sure. Like when they chose them, I was like, oh God, will the clear be better? Will the purple be better? Like, I don't actually know. So let me know which one of these four is your favorite. Which one would you wear? And if you do order from JunkYard Bat, remember you can get a 25% off discount with Absinthe 25. That's fucking awesome. That's totally a surprise. I didn't even know that was happening. Makes me feel like a big deal over here. So anyways, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, that would be amazing. If you want to follow me or Mr. JunkYard Bat on any of the social medias, we're going to put them all below. If you want to join my Patreon, I have a Patreon now. You can get in for $5 or $10, or there's more tiers, whatever. But like I said, I'm creating something fucking epic, and you get the updates if you sign up for my Patreon. So please go do that. If you have the funds to do so, I would really appreciate it. Support JunkYard Bat if you have extra funds. This shit is weighty. It is handmade. It is beautiful. I cannot speak highly enough for it. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me and JunkYard Bat both on all the social medias. Join my Patreon if you can. Buy me a Kofi if you want to give me a one-time donation toward my fashion project up and coming. Let me know what your favorite necklace was, and I will see you guys all around for my next unboxing video, of which I still have a few coming, so get ready.